And we are gonna head back to Skardu city. It's bloody amazing, and we're gonna actually go up there and have a look.
Wow, then we'll answer your question.
Will it support weight? Big weight too.
Aye. That is quite a view. That's genius. Actual tree houses.
This is the best view you could ever think of. Are you ready for this?
We're Natalie and Uma, a couple from England who love to travel. We've been travelling off and on for the past 13 years, visiting many countries for their raw, natural environments and local cultures. We love to show our genuine experiences with all their ups and downs, to show you what it's really like to travel with us. In 2021, we decided to travel to the beautiful homeland of Umar's family, Pakistan. This country is oftentimes described negatively in the media, so we wanted to see for ourselves what it's actually like.
Okay, let's go check out Manthokha Waterfall. So we are at the falls. Looks pretty impressive. There's a cool little white eagle right there.
Wait and say hi to the geese. Wow, they're beautiful. Assalamu alaikum. Hello, gorgeous one. You're drinking some water.
Managed to put the drone up, but it just wouldn't go. Too much wind. Oh shit. Too high altitude. Oh, you can see why. We literally just stepped into the falls and it's so fresh, right?
We just got to Manthokha Waterfall.
Wow. So cold, so fresh. That's why the drone struggled. It's beautiful. Manthokha Waterfall. Let's go to the bridge. I do not know about the construction of this bridge. Bloody hell.
This bridge is so wobbly. Wobbly bridge!
Woo! Yeah, when you see the waterfall, absolutely beautiful. We just made it. Just made it. Oh, wow. Now we're really close to the waterfall.
This is so cold.
We just had a bit of a photo shoot on Manthokha Waterfall. Obviously not as much as these guys over here with their sunglasses and their posing and whatnot. But we're completely drenched because we got right proper into the waterfall.
You don't look close.
I know it doesn't look too bad. These trousers dry off pretty well.
There you have it. That is Manthokha Waterfall. Pretty epic.
So that's probably it for a day. It's been a long day, right?
It's been a very long day, but a lot of great, beautiful things that we've seen.
I know, Pakistan is so beautiful.
Gorgeous.
30 quid this day has cost us, £30 to go from Khaplu to Skardu and see all these beautiful places. That's where the bulk of your expenses when you go to Pakistan is going to be. It is going to be in the transport. We did bus it here one way, and that's what I recommend you do. One way bus it, the other way get private transport.
There in public.
Yeah, go there in public.
Things you want to see.
Exactly.
When you come back, leave the public, and then you can just be like, can you stop?
Yeah. Okay, now we just have to navigate this. Look at the expert. Oh my God, you're gonna have to do it again, Natalie. I missed it. I missed that as well. Do the bow. You have to do the whole thing. Okay, I'm just gonna go this way, because why would you go over there when there's loads of water? Where here, there's like barely anything. I can just tread here, and then I can just go over. Oh, it's a bit slippery. Maybe it's not so easy. Okay, and now where do I go? I'm gonna go this way. Oh, that looks a bit deep. Oh, Natalie, I'm trapped.
You're not, it's fine now. Just use the light rock.
Alright, fine. I'm gonna brave it. I'm gonna brave this. Oh, shit. I have really bad balance.
That's it.
Oh!
Yeah!
Nailed it. As you guys watch more of our things, you'll notice that's a catchphrase. Nailed it. This view of Manthokha Waterfall. Check it out. Go.
Okay, so we were speaking with this guy on Instagram called Mustafa. He was saying he was building some tree houses near Manthokha Waterfall, and we thought it was maybe a little bit away or whatever, but we are at Manthokha Waterfall right now, and look what we can see. We just asked about it, and they said we can call him, we can see if he is around. I hope we can get to see them. Yeah, that's what we want to do, and meet the craftsmen, because this is pretty cool. The tree house is right opposite the waterfall. I mean, that is quite a view. That's genius. I guess you walk this way. So it's under construction, but oh my goodness, I think the skeleton of it has been made. What a great idea.
I think it's so interesting. He just hired local carpenters to do it.
Yeah.
And it was just sort of like why not? I actually see it. I'm wondering, will it actually support weight?
I don't know.
And it blows my mind. I know it's a tree house, but they're actually embedded in trees.
In trees, yeah.
I mean, I've never had a tree house.
No, me neither.
Bye. They said Mustafa Bhai is coming here in 5 minutes. We are invited to drink chai, which is awesome because I love chai. It's bloody amazing. And we're going to actually go up there and have a look.
Wow. Then we'll answer your question.
Will it support weight? Big weight too.
Aye.
Alright, let's have it.
Actual tree houses. Unfortunately, he's not able to get transport here right now.
Apparently, we're just going to walk up there.
Yeah, I just hit my hip. Did you build this? Oh, amazing. Wow, alhamdulillah.
Oh, mashallah.
The tree is still living, which is great. Oh, look at that view. This is Instagram perfection. Well done, Mustafa. Everyone will have this photo when they come here. Wow. Beautiful bridges. I mean, the craftsmanship on this, all along here, it's gorgeous. Wow, it's beautiful. This is going to look so stylish. Amazing. Woo. Yep.
Wow.
This is Instagram heaven, isn't it?
Pretty nice, isn't it?
Wow.
Similar to what they do in Bart Lake, I think. Near Khaplu, they have these igloos, and you can stay very, very small spaces where obviously it's fully experienced, right? But this is beautiful.
Well, you just need a bed and then storage really, don't you?
Oh, babe. Is it wobbling a bit? Oh my god, it is wobbling a bit. Okay, alright. It's not ready yet.
It started to wobble. That one. Is this the biggest? Oh, this is the best view. Oh. Are you ready for this?
Wow.
What a view. Imagine waking up to this. Oh.
Thank you. Oh, it's amazing, isn't it? We sent them a message on Instagram, they said they were doing this. We so happened to be in the area.
These are 3 individual houses. that basically fit a bed and storage. It's under construction at the moment, and we are very blessed to be able to come and see the place before it's ready. This is the best view you could ever think of. I mean, these windows are huge. Pretty cool. These beautiful tree houses have floor-to-ceiling windows, have the best views, and are so beautifully created. You can see these amazing bridges, all made from wood, completely locally made by craftsmen.
Nailed it.
And then it just comes down front way.
I know.
You make it look easy.
Very excited to see what they look like at the end. I mean, there's fairy lights everywhere, even in construction, so wow, pretty cool. Well done, Mustafa. This is such a great idea.
Last view of Manthoka Waterfall. Check it out either on your way to or back from Skardu. A cloudy day, but if we had arrived there maybe 4:30, 5 o'clock, that might be the perfect time with the sun shining right down on it. But you know, these things are so variable. Anyway, beautiful Manthoka Waterfall, back to Skardu for a night of rest. And then we gotta do travel all over again. She's pumped.
I'm tired.
I'm knackered. Let's go. Okay. Bye-bye. Ciao.
Ciao for now.
Oh, shit. Oh. Oh. Okay, let's try again. If it does it again, we forget it. Okay.
Uma's navigating. Uma's navigating which way he's gonna go.